guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. Well, today I am back with my June Glossybox unboxing, and here is the box. So this month's theme is Fresh Breeze, and we can tell with all the lovely blues on this box. So let's open it up. These are all the items I have received this month. As usual, we also have a small card to scan our digital copy of the magazine. So let's scan this. So the magazine begins with the contents, and then it goes on to tell us a note from the editor, and it also gives us a story behind the box. Then we have a full reveal of all the products and details about these products, and some of them are choices. And then it goes on to talk about hair care, flyaways, and gives us some product options and telling us to sunproof our makeup. On the Glossybox website, it gives us a June sneak peek, and it states, "Are you craving the bright blue sea and fresh ocean breeze? Us too, Glossies. That's why in June we're making sure we're all workday ready with our special summer edition." So the note from the editor states, "Take your glam poolside this summer. Our June Fresh Breeze box has everything you need for a beauty routine as crystal clear as those summer waves. With a range of beauty products to fill every desire, this box will bring you the destination feeling without stepping a foot on a plane. Let us show you holiday essentials while you sit back and relax, with a box brimming with brands such as Rituals, Teez and Brave New Hair. We've got you covered, so just pack a bag and grab your passport. Love, Team Glossy." And then we've got the story behind the box, which states, "Fresh breeze, let's dream of a summer holiday far away. Celebrate the endless ocean in the Mediterranean, the fresh breeze in your hair and sunrise on your tip of your nose. Good mood and the pure feeling of bliss are on the agenda. Discover summer must-haves and imagine that the sea is somewhere close by. Treasure this feeling and carry it through the year as you give your beauty routine the summer boost it needs with products inside our June box." So let's do a reveal of all the products that I have received this month. First product is the I Want You Naked Eye Ampoules, which is worth £35. So this is an anti-aging eye treatment, and it is an intensive treatment. And on the back of here we've got some information. It states, "Born beautiful, stay beautiful, 3 days skin retreat for sexy eyes. 3 days, 3 ampoules for bright, seductive eyes. The result is fascinating." And then it says, "With effective anti-aging boosters from nature, developed in the Naked Lab, carefully made by hand in our workshop. The unique complex of active ingredients with high and low molecular hyaluronic acid, vitamin B3, allantoin, caffeine, and chlorophyll. And hemp seed oil plumps up, smooths the skin around the eyes, leaving them look brighter. The effect is already visible and noticeable after 3 days of use." So let's open this up. This is what it looks like. It has 3 small little clear bottles, and on here it gives us instructions on how to use them. There's also a QR code where we can find more details, so let's scan this. So I've scanned this, and it just seems to give us further details on the product. The next item we have is a Rituals of Jing shower foam, which is a dulux size and worth £6. The Ritual of Jing is like their sleeping range, so it'll contain lavender and woody flavours, just to help you relax and unwind before going to bed. Then we have the Teez Cosmetics Crave lip gloss, which is worth £21. So this lip gloss is supposed to give you a wet, juicy look, and it's supposed to be hydrating as well. I am loving the packaging on this, and the shade is, I think it's Beautiful Bad Habit. Let's watch it out. It has a really sweet scent to it, like a chocolate meringue or something. But it smells really nice. So let's just put it on here. It's actually quite a nice nude colour, and it's got a bit of glitter and shimmer in there, so that'd be quite cute to wear. I was never a big fan of gloss, but recently I don't mind it. I think it does leave a bit more moisture on the lips, but I just hate it when it's really sticky. This does feel a little bit sticky, but I'm not sure actually. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see how it goes. So I've just tried wiping the lip gloss, and I've smudged it all across my hand, and it leaves a lot of glitter. Next we have the Brave New Hair 101 Hair Booster, Moisture and Repair, which is worth £10. So this is an intensive hair treatment, and on here it says 5-in-1 multi-use. So you have pre-poo, so conditioning rinse, and then it has express intensive treatment, leave-in supplement conditioner, heat protection finish hair cream, and it is 50ml. And then on the back it gives us some instructions. So it says, apply it on wet hair before shampoo and comb through, and then continue shampooing only the scalp. And then apply to lengths after clean hair. After shampooing, work through the hair for 1 minute and then rinse. Or you can leave it in as a supplement conditioner. So instead of a mask or a conditioner, right after shampooing and then don't rinse if you use that method. The final product is an option between 3 products. The choice is between these 3, so it's either a fragrance mist, a cleanser or a moisturiser. And I have received the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturiser, which is worth $13.49. So this is a water-based moisturiser and it has gel-like consistency and it's designed to keep your skin moisturised and hydrated. So let's just open it up. It smells quite nice. It smells like the rest of the Neutrogena products. You can kind of see the gel consistency as it wobbles. I'm just going to take some. Just took some and I'm just going to rub it. Okay, I needed a lot less than what I've put on, but it is quite a nice texture. It reminds me of the Ole Henriksen moisturiser that's quite similar to this. It does absorb really quick into the skin. And smelling it again, I think it reminds me of Ole. I could be wrong. But yeah, handy to have a spare moisturiser because you never know when you need it. So guys, this brings me to the end of my unboxing. These were all the products I have received. On the website it states that the beauty box is worth £73 and I've recalculated this and I come to a sum of £85.49. So yes, we have definitely received good value for money on our box this month. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this useful and I look forward to seeing you next time. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care for now and I shall see you soon. Bye!